Hey YouTube, what's going on? This is Coach Brian Turner here, and this is Brian Turner Basketball. Before we get started with the video, make sure if you haven't, go on over and like this video, subscribe to the channel for more basketball content moving forward. So let's get into it. Guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be talking about dynamic scoring drills that can transform your game into an unguardable scoring machine. Now, a lot of times guys come to me to kind of help work on their mechanics as far as shooting the basketball, as far as dribbling the basketball, pretty much every aspect you can think of offensively. But these drills right here that we're working on today, I kind of want to talk to you guys about. This will transform your game tremendously, just with a little hard work, a little motivation, and some consistency. Like in past videos, like I've kind of already explained, doing these drills won't make you an unguardable scoring machine, but doing these drills on a constant basis at a high level will transform your game beyond measures. So what we have right here, we just have a nice little warm-up drill where we're kind of throwing the ball out with a roll and trying to hit every spot on the court. As you can see, guys are starting off the baseline, kind of in some. Some guys are starting at the block. Some guys are transitioning up to the elbow. But all you're doing is just rebounding your own shot, rolling the ball out there, getting your hips squared, turned, kind of catching it in the shot pocket, turning, elevating, putting the ball up as high as you can, and just following through. What we're doing with this is at the end of the day, it's a conditioning drill. Anybody can shoot kind of standstill jumpers at a high clip. But what we're doing with this drill is making sure that you just stay moving, trying to get your feet involved, trying to get your hips involved, trying to get your wrists involved, and then get your heart rate up. So as you can see, once you kind of master a couple of the shots, preferably maybe 5 to 10 shots on the inside, kind of build up and go outside and shoot some outside jumpers. Okay, this next drill that we're working on is just powering up layups, kind of, we call this block to block drill. And all we're doing is catching the ball. A lot of teams run plays for guards to expose mismatches. And if you get a mismatch on a smaller defender, you got to be able to basically put them in the hoop. So this drill right here is making sure that you go from block to block, putting guys in the hoop, you know, powering up. As you kind of master this, you can kind of add a little up and under to it. But right now we're just starting off on, just like I said, conditioning, just making sure that you visualize seeing the ball go in. And you can kind of master this with just kind of making easy layups on a regular basis. This can be done also with any age group. As you see, we have some youngsters down here kind of doing this. And they're kind of adding a little twist to it where they're going up and under the basket, trying to work on the block to block drill with making sure that they rotate, catch it low, power up, and rotate and playing the other side. So tell me what you think about this drill in the comment section. If you got any ideas on how we can improve this, make sure that you kind of drop a suggestion for me, and I will catch you guys on the next video.